Welcome to Learning Mole. Today we are thinking about phonics explained, and we're going to look at step number 2 that your child might meet in their phonics journey, which is blending. Now, you might hear a teacher talk to you about how your child is blending their sounds, and basically it's moving from that identification of individual sounds to starting to blend those sounds together to read a word. So instead of just being able to identify individual sounds, the children are able to identify those sounds and start to blend them together. Now, what I would say is this is a very difficult step for some children, which takes a lot of practice, but please don't worry, they do pick it up. And it just takes a lot of practice for some children. At the same time, in this step, children will probably be beginning to write letters as well. They'll be being taught letter formation, and that is usually goes hand in hand when they're starting to read those very simple words. So back to our S.A.T.P.I.N, or S.A.T.P.I.N. When your child is presented a word, we're going to look at how they will start to blend that together. So your first step is the decoding, where they will say S.A.T., S.A.T. So that's your decoding. The children are looking at the phoneme, they're relating it to the grapheme, and they're saying those individual phonemes. We want them to start blending it together. So you can have S.A.T., S.A.T., and they start to blend those sounds together. P-A-T. They're your individual phonemes, and we want to blend them. P-A-T, P-A-T. And they start to blend those sounds together to make words. But as I do say, this is a big step for children, and it does take a lot of practice. So do have patience with them. They are really trying hard, and just keep practicing and giving them lots and lots of experience.